everyone, welcome back to another Kids Craft Corner with the Hoka Ellington Memorial Library. My name is Miss Laura and today we are creating some woven apples. So in your craft kit that you picked up from the library, you have a piece of construction paper, an apple template, and an apple core. So the first thing that we're going to do is color our apple. The only other things that you'll need today is a pair of scissors and some markers or crayons, colored pencils, anything that you want to color with. So we're going to color our apples and then we're going to cut out our entire apple, even the stem and the leaf. So I have decided, since I have yellow paper, I'm going to make a yellow apple, but you're welcome to do whatever color you choose. Here we go. They're cut out and they're ready for our next step. So we're going to take our apple and fold it in half. And we're going to take our scissors and we're going to create slits in our apple. So I'm going to cut on the folded line. I'm going to make sure I'm not getting too close to the edge of my apple, and I'm just going to cut a couple different slits. And this is how we're going to be able to weave our construction paper into our apple. Alright, so when you open your apple back up, you can see the different slits that you made in your apples. This is what we'll weave our strips into. So now I'm going to take my construction paper and I'm going to cut some different slits. And you can make them as wide or as thin as you want. I'm making mine about a ½ inch wide. Just want to cut it all up. So now I'm going to take my strips of paper and I will weave them in and out of the slits in my apple. So I've got going over and under. And I just keep repeating that. Until I have finished. So I've got one strip woven into my apple. So I'm going to do the same thing with all my other strips of paper. Alright friends, so we have all of our strips of paper woven into our apple. Kind of makes like a checkerboard pattern. So our next step is we're just going to cut off our excess ends of our construction paper. So these ends down here and these up here. Just going to trim them off. To the ones on the front that I can see. All right, and I'm just going to flip it over and trim off the ones on the back. So if you would like, you can definitely take a piece of tape or a glue stick and put a little glue or tape underneath each of your ends just to fasten them, make them really secure. But they're in there pretty good, so if you don't want to do that, you can definitely skip that step as well. So our last step is to cut out our apple core and we're going to glue it right in the middle of our apple. All right, so there you have it. that our woven apples are complete. We're so glad that you could join us for Kids Craft Corner this week, and make sure that you tune back in tomorrow morning for an interactive apple story time. We'll see you next week, friends. Goodbye.